Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 6 Classic Sports Hatch, stock reference number 5654. The shape runs from the 7th month 2005 through to the 2nd month 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light with surround, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left front factory alloy 17-inch mag with good tyre. Both left-hand doors have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.